Hey guys, welcome back to the garden. This is the old vegetable garden, and as I've shown in a previous video, we are drowning in apple mint. So I told you this already, but I have made an experiment that I want to share with you because it is amazing. I have made apple mint cordial like you make elderflower cordial, and I'm telling you, it is amazing. So I just wanted to tell you this and maybe inspire you to use your apple mint this way. And I'm going to put the recipe in the description below, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. It is super delicious. You can drink it hot, or you can drink it with just what is this, fizzy water? It's bubbly water, yes, and this cold. It is super amazing in the summer, and I think in winter I will really enjoy it with hot water. So apple mint cordial, it's a new thing in our lives, and I'm really enjoying it. And I'm just freezing it like 1 liter in the freezer like this, and it will last for a long time when you take it out. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you later.